Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some Hello Kitty Galaxy nails, and this is a freestyle nail set, and my apologies about the audio. It might be a little echoey for reasons, but anyways, I am starting off by painting this nail black. This is a freestyle, so I will be jumping from nail to nail and just doing what I think goes with the set. So my apologies if it's a little confusing or difficult to follow, but once you watch the whole video, you'll understand everything I did, and then it'll be easier to follow. So yeah, I'm starting off with black on my middle nail because on my middle nail, I'm going to be doing sort of a chrome effect. And then I'm putting nude on my ring finger because I'm going to be doing a French tip. All of the polishes that I use require 2 to 3 coats to be fully opaque, so keep that in mind. On the thumb, I've painted it black, and now I'm going to be doing some cat eye. I'm going to be doing like a color block type of effect. I'm not sure what to call it for my thumb. So that's what I'm doing on this nail. This is reflective, I believe it's reflective rainbow cat eye gel from Born Pretty, and I pretty much love all of their cat eyes. I got so many of them, so I'm never gonna run out, which I'm very happy about. So that's the effect of that nail. I think it's really pretty. Now on the pinky nail, I am painting it black just like the middle nail, and I'll end up painting my index nail black as well. So going back to my middle nail, I'm applying a top coat so that I can apply some chrome. I'm going to be using a sort of like sheer pearlescent chrome, which is different from regular chrome. So on black, it doesn't really look as like chrome finish, unfortunately. And honestly, I'm not even sure why it doesn't finish like a chrome on black, but that's how it came out. Like I said, on the ring finger, I'm going to be doing a French tip. So I'm starting off with some Born Pretty black liner gel, and I'm just shaping out my smile line first, and then I'm going to fill it in with this same gel, and I'll end up doing 2 to 3 coats of this. Going back to my pinky nail, I decided to do a pretty bold chrome, a regular chrome, a magenta type of color, and then I go ahead and base coat that. No, I top coated it so I could add another layer of chrome on top of that and give it this weird like sparkly mystical effect. And then after that, I'm gonna put a base coat so that I can apply more nail art on top of this and also protect my chrome as well. So I applied some foil glue. Any foil glue off Amazon will work. And now I am sticking down this foil. Now your foils do matter. Higher quality foils are better. So I placed that down on my nail, and I just rubbed it on for a good minute, and then the design transferred. So on my French nail, I definitely wanted to do a Hello Kitty charm, and the reason why I decided to do Hello Kitty is because my sister got us these matching Hello Kitty pajama sets. And so here's the pajama dress, and I don't know if y'all can tell, but obviously I do black nails all the time. I don't like do straight up pink nails, not these days at least. So I was like, okay, I have to keep it my style, but I have to keep it girly, and I have to add Hello Kitty. So this is what I decided to do. So I think I succeeded. at my mission. And now I'm applying some chunky star charms. And I did top coat these, but the thing about them is that the top coat just rubs right off, so don't even worry about top coating them. And so now I'm going to be adding some 4-pointed stars, 3 4-pointed stars to this nail. And this is like the second to last step. So this took me a while. I'm going to let it play out because doing 4-pointed stars is a little bit difficult. I would not recommend adding any gel to your brush once you place the dots down. Just use the gel from the dots that you placed and then work from there. So basically what I'm doing, dragging out the gel into a fine point, and these points will be intersecting. Not these points. The lines will be intersecting each other because I feel like that gives it a pretty cool, interesting look. At least like one of the lines will be intersecting. But anyways, I'm gonna let this design play out. My apologies that it's not really in focus, but I was in focus. My eyes were in focus. So that's the 4-pointed stars, and now I'm going to be blocking out this space sort of effect, this cat eye gel. I'm going to be adding 2 lines on the side to just, I don't know, give it an interesting look, like it's a strip of galaxy. So yeah, that's what I'm doing on this nail, and then that's basically the last step. So I will reveal these nails with flash at the end, and y'all can let me know what y'all think of these nails in the comments below. Please let me know what you think. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was useful and I inspired somebody to create something original and different, because that's pretty much all I do these days. I do not follow trends anymore. I don't even try to keep up with them because I'm just gonna do what I want. So let me know what you think about that in the comments below and about these nails. And I appreciate y'all for watching. Remember to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see y'all next time.